We are on the first floor slab of section D that we finished recently. Now it's still covered with plastic, avoiding water evaporation and premature drying of concrete. We're producing concrete for all our works by ourselves with our semi-automatic concrete mixer. It allows us to get concrete when we need it, in amount we need it, and control the quality of the concrete. During the concrete production, we check in the quality constantly. First of all, by cone. It allows us to understand the concrete properties, this liquidity and other properties that might affect on concrete quality. Also, we're using only quality materials for concrete, like water, sand and gravel. All these materials we check by quality from supplier, check purity of sand and quality of gravel. Water we are getting from city's pipe. Also during the concrete production, we also taking concrete samples. We pour concrete in some special cylinders, with standard sizes that will be used later for testing in the lab. We're using several independent labs here in Bali, so we get different view on the quality of concrete we're using for this construction. Before the pouring concrete into prepared surface, first our technician, our engineers that are always on the site, they checking rebar construction. They check in all sizes, gaps and steps of wires, their diameter. Also our geodetic team checking levels to be sure that all molds are installed properly, horizontally or vertically. And after all preparation are done, we start casting concrete. Also all this process documented, supervised by our technicians and engineers. For every casting, we're using at least 2 vibrators. In case one went off of service, we can use another one, because vibration is very important during the casting concrete. It allows to get higher strength of the concrete, rid of cavities, and make it more even, spreading concrete on the mold. During the works, we also doing some video fixation and photo documentation of the whole process, because most of the works later cannot be seen outside of the construction, and we want to be sure, and we providing all necessary information to our investors that all works, all hidden works are done properly. Also, our building site, project site, is equipped by CCTV cameras that covers whole square of the project and can be accessed online from our website. All works on this project are performed under supervision of our technicians and engineers. Every phase, every step being checked by our staff. They measuring some construction details to be sure everything is made accordingly to project documentations. During the whole construction process, we are making records of work being performed. Our site supervisor doing visual control. Every steps, every work being measured, checked to be sure that all works was done properly accordingly to project documentation. All these reports we collecting and providing to our investors. During the construction process, our site supervisor providing visual control, measures all works, make photos and video documentation. If any mismatch was found, it's all being recorded and discussed with our contractors on regular meetings here in the office. Our site supervisors checks all works being performed, make a daily report, and check all works in checklist provided by project manager. Our site supervisor checks all work being performed, make daily reports, and check all works done during the day in checklist provided by project manager. Site supervisor also during the visual control also checked not only the measurement and all these technical parts, but also the way of work being done, because it's important every step should be done accordingly to the project documentation. Our site supervisor makes daily reports that will be used for reports for our investor we make every month, which includes list of works being performed, finished, the phase of the project, and also gallery of the work performed during the period. We give brief information about the work we plan to do during the next period of time. On daily basis, our site supervisor making reports, filling the checklists, and this information we use for report we provide to our investors, which includes information about works finished during this period. Our site supervisor on daily basis making reports, filling checklist. All this information we use for complete report we providing to our investors. This report includes information about work performed during the period and supported by pictures of works been done, and providing some brief information about works we're planning to perform in the next period of time. All this information allows to our investor to be fully in touch with the project and the schedule we work and control the situation in the field. This information allows our investor to be sure that all works performed on time, accordingly to the schedule, and performed properly. Our building site equipped with CCTV cameras that allow us to see the whole process on the project site, control work being performed, and also these cameras available online on our official website, where our investor also can connect and see the situation on the building site remotely.